Hey everyone, my name is Shubham Pandey, and in this session we are going to discuss about conditional statements. Okay, these are the statements which specify some condition that if this condition is going to be followed, then only the instruction written inside them is going to be compiled or run. Okay, now there are three kinds of conditional statements. The first one is if, second one is if and else, and third one is if and else. I forgot to write here if statement. Okay, no problem. In if, you have to simply write ignore this else. Okay, else part is ignored, only if, and you specify your condition and write the instruction which is followed when this condition is satisfied. Okay, for example, take a example. If it rains means the condition is if it is raining, then I move outside. Okay, so if rains, then you are going to move outside, else not. So in the similar way, if the condition is satisfied, the code is run. Okay, if the condition is not satisfied, the instruction is not going to be run. Compiler move forward and implement the further instructions. Okay, now this is in the case of if statement, if and else statement. Okay, in if and else statement, the syntax is like this. If, you have to specify your condition and then give the instruction under curly braces. Then else, if this is not followed, if this condition is not satisfied, then you have to print this instruction or implement this instruction. Means you want to say example, let's take an example. If it rains, okay, if rains, condition is rains, I move outside, else I live inside the home. Understood? Means if this condition is satisfied, then only this part is compiled or run. If not satisfied, then this part is going to be run. Okay, now if, else if and else, you can use as much as you want this else if. Okay, let us suppose you have 6 to 7 conditions to check. Okay, so you are going to use if and else statement. Okay, first if, you have to give your condition then instruction, else if, you have to give your condition and instruction, then else if, you have to give your condition and instruction, and at last you have to give else and instruction. Remember, do not specify condition in else statement. Okay, it is a syntax error for you. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, let's take a quick revision. Here take an example. Here you take an example. Let us suppose I have to compare the marks of 3 students. Okay, or you can say that I have to compare the marks of, I have to compare the marks of 2 students. Okay, so if the marks, first one mark is greater than second one, print first is greater. Else if second is greater than first, print second is greater. Okay, else if both are equal, okay, it means m1 is equal to m2, print equal. Okay, else invalid value. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind, that when you use if, else if and else statement, and no condition with else statement. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you. So hope that you have enjoyed this session. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.